Hey guys, I'm really happy that you are here, and now let's talk about the bomb. So, what is the bomb? Bomb is basically the actual mechanism to install the malware. So, for example, in our example one, the fake pop-up will basically install the malware as cleaner software. For example, you might get a pop-up telling you to install something that might clean your system, and in case of an email attachment, the macros will take you to a genuine website or a phishing website. So the bomb is basically the actual mechanism or the function that works as an malware. So this is how it works, and that is the reason why cracked softwares are not recommended, and we'll be focusing more on bomb to investigate and to analyze malware. So in the next video we'll talk about how analysis work and what is actually malware analysis.